In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix weird spacing between words in Google Docs. If you've ever seen strange gaps between words in your document, you're not alone. This usually happens when text is justified or when extra spaces sneak in as you edit or paste from other sources. I'll walk you through a quick, reliable way to fix both issues so your document looks clean and professional. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Google Docs. Click the official link from Google to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your account so you can access your files. Once you're in, load the document that has the odd spacing. You can open it from your recent files, from your drive, or by navigating directly to where you saved it. Next, highlight the paragraphs where you're seeing the weird gaps. Click and drag with your mouse to select them, or hold Shift and use your arrow keys for precise selection. If the spacing looks off throughout the whole file, you can select everything to fix it all at once. Now look up to the toolbar at the top of the page. Find the Align icon. It looks like several short horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click it and choose Left Align. This is the key fix when text is justified, because justifying spreads spaces between words to line up both margins. Switching to left alignment stops that stretching and returns your spacing to something natural. If you prefer the keyboard route, use Ctrl plus Shift plus L on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus L on Mac. If you still notice random clusters of extra spaces, like double or triple spaces, you can clean them up in one go. Press Ctrl plus F on Windows or CMD plus F on Mac to open the Find bar. On the right side of that bar, click the three vertical dots to open Find and Replace. In the Find box, press the spacebar twice to search for double spaces. In the Replace with box, press the spacebar once to replace them with a single space. Click Replace All. If your document had areas with 3 or 4 spaces in a row, run. Replace all again a couple of times until there are no more replacements to make. This only normalizes multiple spaces. It won't affect line breaks or tabs. And that's it. With left alignment and a quick find and replace, your document's word spacing should look consistent and polished. Give it a final skim, save your changes, and you're good to go.